What if you could earn money while sleeping, traveling, or just relaxing? That's the magic of passive income. In today's video, I'll share 7 passive income ideas for beginners in 2025 that you can start right now. Passive income means you're not actively trading hours for dollars. It takes effort up front, but once it's set up, it keeps earning for you. Think of it as planting seeds that grow into money trees. By investing in dividend-paying companies, you get paid regularly just for owning shares. You can start small with apps like Robinhood or Fidelity and reinvest dividends to grow your income over time. You don't need to buy a whole house to earn rental income. Platforms let you invest small amounts into real estate deals and earn passive returns. eBooks, templates, courses, once created, they sell again and again online. Gumroad, Etsy, or Amazon KDP make it easy to start. Earn commissions by recommending products you already use and love. A blog, YouTube channel, or even TikTok can turn into an affiliate machine. You act as the bank by lending money to individuals or businesses and earn interest on repayments. Once a video or post goes live, it can keep generating ad revenue and sponsorships for years. Content you make today could pay you months from now. Dropshipping or print-on-demand stores let you sell products without holding inventory. Everything runs in the background once set up. It's not about getting rich overnight, it's about building financial freedom step by step. With even one stream, you'll reduce stress and open new opportunities. If you want to learn more ways to build wealth, download the Wealth Navigator ebook, packed with strategies to grow your money in 2025. https://731wealth.gumroad.com/l/bpzeast. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share which passive income idea excites you the most.